Priya, your first reaction to this, your own brother was involved in a very high-profile trial of his own. How do you feel about Salman today?
You know, my heart goes out to his family, and we've gone through it for the past 20 years. And, but I just know that, Salman is a strong man, and his family is very supportive, and I think he's got the support of a lot of his fans. And he'll go through this and come out stronger.
Priya, the fact is though that a man lost his life that day, 4 other pavement dwellers were injured. There are those who would say that, Salman Khan has had to face the law just like anybody else.
Yes, but I would not want to comment on, what the facts of the case are or what it isn't. I am looking and I'm talking about it on a more of an emotional quotient where the family is concerned. See, the law has to take its own course. We all have gone through it. And, you still can't, you still have to be a little supportive to the family and, to the near and dear ones because it is tough for anybody to face something like this.
Priya, through your own experience as well, everyone's been talking about Salman's case in the context of Sanjay's case as well, that here were 2 high-profile celebrities, 2 leading men of the film industry, who really had to face, the law at the end of the day, and whether their cases actually set an example for the way, celebrity cases are handled and dealt with. How do you see it in that context?
We've gone through this not as celebrities. In fact, I think we've been more cornered because of having a celebrity status, and I don't think there was anything out of the way done because of him having any celebrity status. I think the law took its own course, and they both have faced whatever the charges were. They've gone through the whole trial, and we have to respect what our judiciary is.
Okay, but you believe that the celebrity status goes against, somebody like Salman, or it went against someone like Sanjay, that you felt an overzealousness to go after them because they were famous?
When you yourself said, Nidhi, that was an example set, is it all? And that yes, I think a lot of times we tend to set examples through people who are celebrities, and even the media obviously would not cover a case like this of somebody else, but because it's Salman Khan, the media will cover it more realistically. So yes, of course, these are the opportunities to set examples for everyone.
Right. Well, Priya, would you have a word to say before we go? Any word to say for the victims of the hit and run case today?
I think the whole case of accidents and drinking and driving and all that, I think that's something which needs to be dealt with. Innocent people suffer,